Welcome or Setup screen, tap the screen 7 times to enable QR code enrollment. Open the business app and display the enrollment QR code. Scan the QR code on the phone. After scanning the QR code, proceed to connect the phone to a Wi-Fi network. Before connecting, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Open Advanced Options. Verify that the IP address, gateway, and DNS1 details correspond with the information shown on the business app. Cross-check the details carefully. Tap Advanced Options. Change the IP settings from DHCP to static. Set the IP address to match the IP address shown in the business app. Update the gateway to the value provided in the business app. Update the DNS address to the value provided in the business app. Save the settings and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Allow the device to download the required enrollment policies and configurations. Click on the Next button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enrollment process. Click on the Next button. Click on the Next button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the enrollment process. Click on the Next button. Check the business app and confirm that the device appears under the enrollment section. This indicates that the enrollment process has been successful. Open the Credlock business app. Locate the enrollment code. Enter it on the device and verify it.